Hey girls, do you guys want to come out before it gets too wet out here? Got them some oyster shells because I ran out. Oh yeah, everyone wants to come out. Especially loudmouth over here. Come on. Here comes Rose. I think Sunny is laying an egg because Rose was laying an egg before. Let me see. Yep, she's laying an egg. Alright, I'll leave you alone. You do you. You wanna come out this way? She is singing the sound of her people. And I just did a coop clean out here, so it's all nice and clean. Even up there, I took the divider out so she can have the whole area up there. Ooh. You got yelled at. Don't get too close to her. Is she becoming broody, or did she just yell at you? Let's see. I put my hand near there. You okay, girl? No. She's not broody. She's just laying an egg. She was just yelling at Squawks. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah. That's Sunny. Each time I pet her, her one eye shuts. That's how I know it's Sunny. Alright. You do you. I'll leave this back door open so you can come out once you're done. Hey, Winks. Hey, Bobtail. There's August. There's Squawks. And Rose is in the background.